Every story starts the same way, with nothing. A blank cursor, a blinking light, and a question. What if? Seedance 2.0, one prompt, multiple shots, native audio, full control. This is not the future, this is now.
All right, so here's the thing. What if I told you you could create an entire cinematic video from just one sentence? No cameras, no crew, no complicated setup, just an idea and a prompt. That's exactly what Seedance 2.0 does. It turns simple inputs like text, images, even audio into full cinematic scenes. And not just clips. I'm talking about actual storytelling. So if you've ever had an idea in your head and wished you could bring it to life, this changes everything. Watch this. One sentence. That's it. Text, images, audio, video. Stack your ideas. Up to 12 inputs, one output. Same character, every scene. No resets, no redoing. No studio, no crew, just an idea. With Seedance, one sentence becomes a shot, becomes a scene. It starts with a thought. Just one, and suddenly it's real. And just like that, you're directing. This isn't one style, it's every style, every story, every creator. The future of film isn't coming, it's already here, and you are the director now. What will you make? Okay, so this video you're watching, it wasn't filmed the traditional way. It was generated using AI, and the tool behind it is called Seedance 2.0. What's crazy is you can literally take one sentence and turn it into a full cinematic scene. I'm talking about camera movement, lighting, characters, even audio. And it's not locked into one style either. You can create action scenes, emotional stories, sci-fi, whatever you imagine. So instead of needing a full production team, you just need an idea. That's what makes this so powerful. Because now, anyone can create something that looks like a movie. So yeah, this isn't just another AI tool. It's a whole new way of making videos.